Hello, welcome to Help, Helpful English Learning Place, the channel for all your English learning needs. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Today's video is about question words. What, which, who. What? What is it? What are you doing? Which? Which bag is yours? Which teddy do you like? Who? Who is she? Who is your teacher? Your turn. Choose the question word. What, which, who. Who? Who are they? They are my school friends. What? What are those? They are keys. Which? Which hat do you like? I like the red one. Which? Which car is faster? The orange car is faster. What? What is that? It's a fox. Who? Who is he? He's my brother. Who? Who wants ice cream? We want ice cream. What? What is she doing? She is reading. Which? Which sandwich do you want? I want the cheese sandwich. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click like and subscribe, and you can also click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos.